Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your travel insurance with Allianz, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage your travel insurance with Allianz, start by visiting their official website. Locate the customer service or my account section on the homepage. If you don't have an account, click on register to create one. Fill in the required information, including your policy number and personal details. Once registered, log into your account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to view your active policies. To file a claim, navigate to the Claims section. Select the type of claim you wish to submit. Fill out the claim form carefully, providing all necessary details. Attach any required documentation, such as receipts or medical records. Double-check your entries for accuracy before submitting the claim. Keep a copy of the confirmation email for your records. To check the status of your claim, return to the Claims section. You can also contact customer support through the website for any questions. For policy adjustments, go to the Manage Policies section. Here, you can update personal information or add additional coverage. Review any changes made to ensure your policy remains effective. Remember to read through Allianz's policy documents for detailed information. Stay informed about any travel advisories or updates that may affect your coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.